Hello guys, how you doing? So, Tyler. So I got some stuff today. I got Warhead shrimp sour. Get closer. So that was toxic waste. There you go. Last one I got is Warhead sour chili cubes. Josh. I got 30 of these. Look at that. Look at that, Josh. Who is still in here? Ooh, good for you. Yay! So, let's see. So, let's get to it. There you go. Okay. Okay, my first one I'm doing the list. Okay. I'm gonna choose black cherry, okay? Crap. There. See you guys look. See that? See that? I want you to hold, okay? See, look. That's me. That's sour. It's like sour milk, but it just gets good. It's good. So okay, guys. That's what I'm gonna say. Healthy. Okay. Switch for that. What's that? So let's go to Extreme. The Warhead's Extreme Sour. So, okay, so right here. Oh, I have the same thing. Look, they have the same pack as the toxic waste. Look, I'll show you it. Never mind. See, look. So I kind of and yeah, that's yeah. There's the same thing. Look, see. Yeah. Okay, so let's do this. Hey guys, I'm doing this challenge for 105 subscribers. Okay. Oh my god. This looks so weird, guys. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at this. It looks so weird. No, they're not that. Oh, so nasty. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. God, it's very sour. Look, guys, it gets really sour at the beginning when you do it like for a while. It just tastes so good. Guys, I'm telling you, House Server was 10-10. It's not that hard in the toxic waste. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Sorry on my head. Gosh. Oh, don't. Oh. And guys, you want me to try this at home? Well, you still can. And guys, leave in the comments if you want me to do these again. At the same time. I'm not doing the same time this video. Oh. Oh. So good. I'm so scared now. I'm scared. How sorry that was. I don't know what to eat this. Ugh. Tastes weird. So this is back right over there. Okay. So time for the last one, Sour Patch. So no, Warhead Sour Chili Carrot Cube. So let's get to it. Wow. Let's see if it's really good right there. Okay. Let's try to squish it. Squish it. Good chip. These are really hard to open. There you go. Oh, I found it. So long. Okay, oh my god, I'm getting all reds, guys. Oh, it feels weird. Oh, see, I opened it, guys. See, I opened it. Yay. Okay, so let's try to get a random one. I don't want to. Oh my god, I don't want to. Let's get a random one. Okay. So, here what it looks like. Right there. Guys? So, sorry I'm looking weird. So, let's get to it. That guy was sour. What the frig? That was not even sour. What the frig? What the frig? Look, it's not even sour. Let's try one more. Let's try the blue one again. Let's try the blue one. Okay, I see it. Okay, guys. Right here. Blue one. They're all the same. Oh, wow. Guys, these are really, really sour. These are not sour. Guys, I hope you like this video. Subscribe, like, and leave a comment if you want me to do this again. So, with a friend. So, see you later. See you later. Bye. Sorry, bye.